Hi everyone, I have a cutting activity that we can do with our kids in pre-K and up, and all we need is some paper, some scissors, and a marker. What we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna get some paper and cut some cutting patterns so that we can practice some cutting skills. Okay, so you guys can pick one that you want, and then I'll give you a pair of scissors.
Good.
Okay, now you guys you can grab a piece of paper. I like how focused you are. Good job. Good. Awesome. Nice. So for this next activity, we're gonna need some animals, some paper, scissors, and tape. Now, our animals are trapped. So what we're going to do is we're gonna use our scissors to free up the animals. Nice. Good, son.
I got it off.
Good. All right. So the cow is free now. Nice.
I understand a little bit more.
Yeah. Right.
They call me the moo cows.
Yeah. Moo cow. All right, we cut our animals free. Thank you guys for watching, and we hope you enjoy your new discoveries.